What's up, guys? My name is Big Moy the Exotic. I'm here at Hey Queen Ale with the one and only Mama Bennie. How are you feeling today?
I'm excited.
She's here at Hey Queen Ale and we're about to try on a few wigs and let's see which one looks the best.
This is the first time I'm gonna have a wig.
So we're gonna start with this wig right here. This is the first wig that we're gonna try on. But this Mama Bennie wearing the amber lace wig. Personally, I give it a solid 9. Mama Bennie, what do you rate this wig on you yourself? From 0 to 10?
I like it. I'll say like 8.
So this one right here is like something very different. I'm sure you never seen yourself in blonde. Have you?
Never.
This is like the Chanel of wigs. What do you rate it from 0 to 10 yourself?
Like a 5.
Well, we're gonna do something simple, just like a natural black.
It's a 9. It's
9!
Classy. It's classy. Yeah.
This wig is available on the website heyqueenla.com. We have 4 locations here in Hollywood, 1 in Miami, and we have other distributor in New York, Atlanta, and Dallas. Let's try on the next wig. But you got asked for the burgundy.
They want red. Okay, here we go.
Wine burgundy. Yes, we have an 8, we have an 8, we have a no, we have a 6, we have a 7, we have a 2. What do you rate it yourself?
Okay, yeah, 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you rate this one yourself?
Like a 7.
7, okay.
Yeah.
I feel it. If you like the first one, is this one. That's like a $1,500 wig, and really this is Chanel when it comes to hair.
Don't make me emotional.
Don't cry. You're a big girl. The people that you inspire. Because like for a lot of single mother that have like it's just I just struggle, that just being caught up in just like stress and struggle.
I get a lot of inboxes like that.
You got it. You do this with professional.
Like
it's
this.
cute. We got a 10, we have a yes, we have a no, we have an 8. This is Beyonce. This is Beyonce. This like.
Yeah.
But personally, I'll give this one a straight 10. I'm not even gonna play. What about you?
9.
9.
Woo! It's 9.
She's not smiling. She's not even smiling.
I don't even know if it's on the scoreboard.
We have a no with 4,000 zeros.
It's giving the lady off 101 Dalmatians. Yeah. But is it for Mama Bennie? It's not for Mama Bennie. Yeah,
Okay, from 0 to 10, what do you give it?
You want me to tell you for real?
Yes.
For real?
For real.
A 1.
I give it, I don't know.
I feel it. Let's try on the next one.
Hi, Anna.
Do you know who this is? This is a Mama Bennie. She's like the viral sensation right now on social media.
This is my favorite color, so it might be a 10.
What do you guys think? From 0 to 10?
No, it's cute.
They say no, cute, 3, no. This is the 2 that we're going to be deciding from. 1 or 2. This is 1, and this is 2. I need the vote. We have 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1.
Oh gosh.
It's going to be difficult. One is winning.
Yeah, 1 has 500 and 600 for 1.
You guys stay tuned though. We're about to do her hair and her makeup. Let's go.
Woo.
She got her hair done, makeup done. She's looking amazing.
And they definitely ate. They ate the look up, okay? They ate.
You look
4 plus 4, 8.
8. Let's go. I believe that your energy is doesn't lie. Your energy is amazing.
Thank you.
And I believe that that's why God chose to bless you. And best of luck to you.
Thank you
so much. You deserve so much more.
Thank you. I appreciate that so much.
Let's go.
Thank you, Hair Queen LA.
Let's go. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe on our YouTube channel. My name is Moyo. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Be safe, okay?